And welcome back. Well, the holidays mean your to-do list gets longer and longer. And who wants to think about signing up for insurance to that list, huh? Well, you know it must be done, but it doesn't have to be daunting. It's time for Insurance 101 with Sovereign Select. And whether you sign up for Medicare or the Affordable Care Act, Tom Qualley, he's here to help. Good to see you, Tommy. I think this is one of those things, it's, you know, what do they always say? Death and taxes, add Medicare and insurance to that list.
Oh my God.
It's got to be done even if you don't want it.
Yeah, and sometimes I wonder why the government put these open enrollment periods right around all the holidays.
Right.
You know, it's like, well, I got to plan for Thanksgiving, I have to plan for Christmas and whatever other holidays, and
I got to add
and now I have
insurance.
to review my insurance plan. So
nobody's got time for that, but it's important that we do it now. You guys represent, as a broker, all different kinds.
Tons.
You don't work for one specific company, so
right.
you're not getting, you know, when you meet with people, there's no cost consultations because they're not paying you. The companies are individually.
Right. So basically, as a broker, we can work with pretty much any company that's out there. There are some companies that we're not able to work with. They're usually captive companies, is what they're called. But I will say, from experience as a broker, they're not worth working with anyway. So
good to know.
Basically, what we can do is really just shop around for each individual person and really custom fit them with a plan that works for their specific needs. And yeah, we don't charge for our services. Basically, the insurance company is whatever insurance company that the person chooses to be their insurance plan, they pay us a fee basically for helping them through it.
It's fantastic. For Affordable Care Act, if people need insurance for themselves or their family, that open enrollment period is going on right now through January 31st. So if you're not covered by a health insurance plan, Tommy's your guy. You help me out, and here's what you do. When people call you, they can go on your website and do it themselves, right?
There's a couple different ways to do it. If you're the kind of do-it-yourselfer type person, you're like, hey, I want to just get this done, and I want to do it myself. I don't want to talk to somebody. Maybe you have awkward conversations. I don't know. I'm just kidding. But you can go right on our website and actually quote insurance, look up doctors, look up medications, and actually enroll in a plan right through our website. We actually use a specific software that actually gets around the entire marketplace. And enrollment times are really, if a person goes on there and shops, can get their enrollment done in 3 minutes.
And it's important to look up the doctor.
It is important to look up the doctor, make sure that whatever doctor you use is in the plan that you have. Because most of these plans are HMO plans, so you do have to stay within the network. But enrollment times are so much easier if you go through our website versus even trying to call the marketplace or go on healthcare.gov. You can cut your enrollment time down to about 3 minutes, so then you can go back to planning your holiday events.
But if people don't want to do it themselves because it's confusing, you walk people through it. I had you do it with me specifically, and you picked out 3 different things for me to look at and really went through the concerns or questions I had.
So, you know, if you're not a do-it-yourselfer and you're like, you know what, I just want somebody to do it for me, it's almost just as easy. Just give us a call. We'll ask you some very pinpointed questions to get you right to the plan that works exactly for your needs. And then again, the enrollment time takes about 3 minutes.
Medicare annual open enrollment period is coming up to a close soon, December 7th. So people who need to get their Medicare taken care of do need to act now and give you a call.
Now is definitely the time. It's been the time where, you know, we're getting through it, and we really only have a couple weeks left. Open enrollment for Medicare ends December 7th. We still have our meetings every Friday, which you'll probably showcase at the end of the segment. And basically, it's just a good time to get a good refresher on what Medicare is, what the options are that are out there. There's quite a few new plans that are available, and quite a few companies that are actually very competitive in the Medicare Supplement world and the Medicare Advantage world. And we're noticing that there's a large number of people that definitely need to change their Part D prescription drug plan, whether it be because their prescription needs change, their prescription drug plan cost went up, or maybe within the plan the copays went up, or maybe they're not covering certain medications anymore. So it's always important to review that. We actually review prescription drug plans for people for no cost, so they can just give us a call, provide us with their prescriptions that they're taking, and we can compare plans compared to what they have. And we've been saving people quite a bit of money. I mean, I remember quite a few, actually handfuls of people that we saved at least $1,000 a year for.
Think about that money that you can use for the holidays or to help feed your family or pay some of those electricity bills and things through the winter. It's so important. You've
just by making a quick call and just saying, here's my medications, and maybe we
reviewing
can
it.
save $1,000.
Who doesn't want that? These neighborhood meetings are every Friday between now and December 4th, because remember that deadline is December 7th, so you really do need to act now. The meetings go on from 10 to 2. You do need to reserve a seat, but there's no cost. There will be an agent present to really go over some options and different things with you while you're there. There's no cost for consultations. You can call Tom at 262-641-4111. He or one of his licensed agents will definitely be there to meet with you in your home, or you can go to them right in Brookfield. Sovereign Select, again, no cost consultations. Thanks, Tom.
Thanks.
Good to see you.